Ka Voice of the People Party VPP ka ngos kem bakandang yobat ya ka Shillong Lok Sabha seat ha ka election shiteng samay by election ka banwan ong u president ba Ardent Miller Simon ha ka arpenyo tarik rempang. Hindang haban ra ya ukertong Henry yakata on sale no shen. Ngamde manga kamde bangis ngos sarong ni dak muipat Henry ngis ngotho ya ka jingki jingkipat ba bangindang bat ya ka ni ka constituency ong uba Ardent. Uni unong yalam ke VPP ula ongru baka parti kamdan kam satyai ki beriu ki banabar ban job ha ka ni ka by election ka banwan kata haba jubab halor ki babun ki jingpen pau. Nga ong nyepi hidon ki beriu ha ka parti ki balatibit bat syampang bha ki basngotho ya ka telong katan rai jong ka parti. Ngam tharai bangidon kami ki beriu ki banabar ka parti ban yakun ya ka ni election ula benram. Ka jingpen long ya ka ni ka by election ka long ka badan kam hadin ka jingklat kindit jong UMP ka Shillong u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ha ka katkan trik rempang.
I'm not going to, it is not that we boast or something like that, but we understand the pulse of the people that we are going to keep this constituency with us. I'm telling you, we have enough people in the party who are qualified, who understand the background, the origin of the party. I don't think we need people from outside the party to contest this election.